I'm sorry that I'm stressed out. There's so much outside my mind right now. I am fine, no doubt, but my cigarette is burning. 'Cause all I do is worry. That's all I ever want to beg from you. It's over, but you're the four-leaf clover. I just want some closure, babe. You drove my hopes up. I thought I could ignore that. It's not that easy, guaranteed depression. I'm holding back, I'm stressing, no. That's all I ever wanted back from you. You fucked me up, alright, yeah. Baby, I'm medicated. I am high. You ignore my texts on purpose. My phone is losing service, but I don't want a response back from you. I'm sorry that I messed up. There's so much outside my